First time driving the M5.
Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to my Galaxy 5G unboxing and first pictures of my car with it. Sorry this video is a little bit late because I got the phone in the beginning of October, but I haven't had enough time to edit the video up, but here we are. So without further ado, let's take the top off, and voila, there's the fold unfolded in all of its glory, Korean warning labels and all. Since I got the phone from Korea, they don't sell the 5G version in America, only the 4G. So I ordered the 5G from Korea. As you can see, shiny black. Look at the warning labels. Let's go ahead and put it aside and put it on top of this box so we don't scratch it. Let's go ahead and see what else we got in this box. We got all kind of welcome labels and everything, all in Korean. So I can't read Korean. We're just gonna put that aside. Here's our Samsung Galaxy 5G Advantage Plus little package. Let's open it up and see what we got in here. We have the outer case for the phone. Comes in two pieces, one to connect to the front and one to connect to the back. Instructions on how to install it. We also have instructions on how to transfer data from phone to phone, which is awesome that they included those instructions so I can get it up and going pretty quick. And then let's take a look inside this little pouch and see what we got here. Samsung likes to include all kind of goodies. We got a SIM card ejector on this end, so let's see what's in here. Oh, Galaxy Fold Advantage Plus card. It's for 5G members. If we take a look at it, it has a dedicated website to 5G owners. I guess it's for repairs and any questions, and the 24/7 hotline. I can't really read Korean once again, so we're going to put that aside for now. Let's take a look. Here's the case, here's the back part, here's the front of it, connects in two pieces. A lot of people wonder how cases would work with this phone. Easy enough, two pieces. Put the SIM card ejector aside. We will be needing that, and I'm good at losing things, so we're going to put it right in front of me. And now we have the AKG wireless Galaxy Buds that come free with the phone. Awesome. I guess you could think about AirPods if you like AirPods. These are the Galaxy competitors. Very nice, very good quality, charging case and all. Awesome. Next, let's go ahead and open this little box up. Boom, boom, boom. Charging cable. Wait. Yeah, USB charging cable. So we got regular USB-C. See what's in here. Oh, ear tips, I believe. Let's just go ahead and pop them open. Look at that. All the different sizes of ear tips you can change out. So if the stock ones don't match up with your ear, you can swap them out. Easy enough. And then we got a European wall charger. Yeah, that's not going to do me much good here. But it did come with the USB-C adapter for other USB types. So I'll definitely keep that little piece, but the European adapter, not so useful for me. Anyway, let's go ahead and take the warning label off the front of the Galaxy and start her up. Oh, nice. Look at that screen. Size of iPad mini. When unfolded, you can see my goofy face in the reflection. Oh yeah. Now that's clean. Look at that. All the way around. Just looks like a regular Samsung flagship device. Alright, so we're going to get the SIM card ejector and we're going to eject the SIM card holder. Put the fold down. We're going to grab my S8 if I can find it. There it is. And we're going to eject the SIM out of there. Boom. Oh, there it goes. It fell on the ground. No matter. We're going to put the SIM into the new SIM holder, if we can get it to sit correctly. It may take a few moments. Let me go ahead and fumble around and get it connected up right. Here we go. So now the SIM is in. Let's go ahead and boot it up. Boop, boop. Samsung Galaxy Fold 5G. That's what I like to see. Not too many people in America have the 5G version once again because you have to import it. So let's see, everything's loading up like a typical Samsung device. And voila, we're greeted with the welcome screen. So we just got to set up the phone in English, which is easy enough. There we go. And most of you guys know the typical phone setup process, so I won't bore you guys too much with that. I just wanted to show you it boot up and start getting all the settings right. It'll take a few moments to get everything loaded from the other phone onto there, but for now we'll go ahead and skip forward to being finished with this. Voila, I got the home screen set and the unfold screen set. Look at that, got Stratus on the back there already, looking good in all of her glory. And wow, that folding is something else. It's so weird to fold your phone. But let's go ahead and take it out and go get our first pictures with the phone and the car together. So let's hop in the whip and let's roll. Skip forward for you guys because while you don't drive in a cold engine, I don't drive in a cold engine, it's called editing. So here we go. Let's go find a nice little area to get some pics since it's fall and the leaves are falling, changing color. We can probably get some good ones. Beautiful day to get out and about. So let's go ahead and try to get some photos while we're here. Hopefully we don't freak anybody out folding and unfolding the phone while they drive by. Let's go ahead and hop on out. Got the fold in hand. Leave the car running so that we can have the halos going. Wow, look at the front of this. This is really nice. This is something like I've never seen before. So we're going to unfold it with the front, just so we can show the continuity. We can take all three sizes of photos here. We can take regular, we can take wide angle, we can take zoom. We can do everything we can do with the regular camera from here. And then of course we got to unfold it. Look at that. Look at it go, look at it go. Oh yeah, look at that. Big screen to take all these pictures on. You can see the moon from here. Oh, look at that. You got the big screen to go ahead and take your different size photos with, and you can really get more of a sense of depth and angle with the big screen instead of trying to squint and take a look at that small, regular, flat screen. Really dynamic. And as you see, you really don't see a crease in the phone on a daily usage. The only time you see the crease really is when a room is brighter than your phone, then you can see it kind of, but as long as your phone is brighter than its surroundings or on par with its surroundings, you're not really going to see that crease at all. And it's not even really picking up on camera like that. But we're trying different camera modes now, trying to get everything dialed in. You can see how it works. You got the live blur action right here. Try that out. I'll post all the pictures after this and a few more pictures that I took since, so that you guys can see the quality of image that it takes. It uses the same camera as the Galaxy S10 Plus. For those of you that don't know, the phone also features 12 gigs of RAM, which is awesome, 512 gigs of storage, and Bluetooth 5.0 with a 4380 milliamp hour battery. Sorry if I messed that up, but that is a big battery, and battery life is amazing. Anyway, here are some of the photos that we got just in that little short amount of time. I know the video doesn't really do it justice, but trust me, they're super crispy clean. And like I said, I'm about to throw the photos up here for you guys to take a look at yourself and see the image quality. But wow, the colors, the vibrancy, everything, it's just beautiful. And to have such a large screen on command, it's really a game changer. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video of unboxing my Galaxy Fold 5G and getting our first pictures of the car with it. I wanted to show you guys the new phone, update you guys on what's going on. If you want a more in-depth video on the phone or taking pictures with the phone of the car or something of that sort, let me know in the comment section below. I'd be more than happy to give you guys some answers to your questions or make another video for you guys. As for now, I will show you guys some of the pictures straight from the phone of how they look and get a little slideshow going for you so you can see the pictures in their whole resolution glory. Now the video is only going to be rendered in 720p and these photos are 4K, so they're not going to be their full resolution, but they'll be better than watching them on a screen through a video. Alright you guys, love you all. Peace.